this is my 5 a.m. morning routine. Remember this that I got from PriceMart yesterday, so I'm going to test it out now. So it's 5-pack, 25 pieces of napkin in each, so it's a total of 125. Okay, and this is how it looks. So you get a pack like this, and this is how it looks. It's a towel, guys. It's very thicker than a wipes. It's wet. It would have been a dried towel, but it works. It functions just like a wipes. It smells good and it's wet. So I buy this as a replacement for using towels, because sometimes I'm tempted to use towels that I've used before to dry my face in the mornings. So I got this just to prevent me from using dirty towels and to help with my breakouts. Just hang out the clothes. I'm going to wash my hair now. The sheets is going to rinse, and then I'm going to hang out the sheets, and I have a lot of straightening up to do in the living room, so I'm going to do a little straightening up in the living room, make some tea. Oh, the next door noisy. It's so noisy. So I'm gonna use the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to be using the Afro-G keratin 2 minutes reconstructor. This is like a keratin treatment, protein for my hair, because when your hair is relaxed you need protein to help build back the strand and build back the strength of your hair, right? So this is what I'm going to leave in my hair. I carry my body shower cap, but them just disappear. But yeah, so guys, because I have been wearing this wig for so long, you see how the hairline look lighter than, yeah, that's what it's giving. The conditioner the 2 buckles. Oh, this is not soda. Conditioner. Alright guys, so the shampoo here. Somebody have me and say, okay, oh, my ear now soda, so my ear dirty. Conditioner. So I bought 2 conditioner by accident a good while back, so I ended up had to get this. So try that. my edges to come back, so I want to lay off the wigs a little bit, so maybe I'll go back to doing the pixie style because the edges are gone, guys. So in the mornings I don't normally drink water. Like whenever I drink water like on an empty stomach, it makes me feel really bad. So I'm trying to drink the water the first thing in the morning. Even though I brush my teeth, I should have drunk water before. That's not a routine. This is something I want to start. Because back then when I was on my weight loss journey, I remember a trainer told me the first thing you do in the morning as you wake up is to just drink some room temperature water before brushing your teeth and everything. Him say the enzymes and everything inside the mouth down into your stomach digestive system, they all work together and it helps you to release. So like if you're having a problem we go into the bathroom, this method do work. The reason why I really don't do it is because I don't like how I feel. It makes me feel nauseous. But over time though, for sure, the machine is finished. Over time, you will get used to it. So I'm starting this back. Alright guys, so I rinsed out the conditioner, so my hair is drying and I'm having my coffee right now. Guys, my Christmas tree still look pretty, you know? I'm gonna take it down in February. Don't watch the Christmas tree, alright? So I just finished eat, so I have my apple juice with collagen, guys. As we age, collagen is very important because we lose it, so we have to replace it. So for me, I have cellulite on my legs, really bad cellulite, and I bought the collagen thing for how long, God knows, but I haven't been taking it. I want to start. Sometimes I don't remember that I have it, but I need to take it. So I have it in my apple juice, so I'm gonna have that. It doesn't have a taste, so you can put it in your smoothie, your tea, whatever it is that you want to put it in. Very good for men over 30. Start doing that. Alright guys, so next I have my B12 that I bought at PriceSmart. I paid 1,000 something for this, and I have this Beacon Zinc. Yeah, this is a multivitamin too, but I want more B12, so I have to get this because I haven't been. The more I sleep, is the tired I am. So I feel that I am deficient in the B12 supplement, so I'll make sure I get just a straight B12 instead of multivitamin. The multivitamin only have like 3 mcg, the multivitamin, and this one have 500 mcg of B12, so you know you're getting a higher dose because I need it. It's a gummy, and I had 2 yesterday when I bought it and I came home. I had 2, and believe you me, my energy lifted. So I just take this. So for today, I want to drink as much water as I can. Yeah, I want to drink a lot of water today and flush my system. It's 2 actually. I take 2. I start off with 2 for 2 weeks, and then depending on how it should last, I get 90. So for 2 weeks, 2, and then after that I'm gonna take 1. This tastes pretty good. Very good. I said B12 aids in conversion of food into energy. Yeah.